Hi guys, your girl Yammy's here, and on, what is today, Friday?
Friday the 26th.
So it was Wednesday, okay. On Wednesday, I went to the ESPN building and did a little Passholder shopping there. So I have some of that footage, but we're going back again today, and it's Friday. So I'll take you guys, and I'll just combine the two clips together. So hope you guys enjoy this. After waiting outside approximately 20 minutes, we are now inside, and we got to get our QR code scanned so we can go shopping. Alright, so we're waiting in another line now. Let's see what's happening. Alright, this place is huge, and there is a lot of shopping that can be done down there. Holy moly. Yeah, that's a lot of shopping. Hi guys, we're here to do some shopping for the annual pass holders. We're at the Wide World of Sports right now, and we're going to go in and check out the merchandise. We are on hold. There's too many people in there, so they're making us stop for now and wait. I don't think Disney thought this through very well. Not at all. So far we have waited in line to get into the building. Then we waited in line to get our QR code scanned. Now we're waiting in line to get our annual pass checked. Then we get into the shop.
Maybe.
Maybe. There might be another queue for something else. You never know. Alright, now we are heading to actually go downstairs. We had to come upstairs to go downstairs. The nice thing is when we're done, we don't have to walk any stairs. We just walk right out then. We'll be all done with our stairs. Alright. Oh, look at here. There's Mickey and... look at Mickey. Alright, now we're over here in the toy section, but over here was where they have lightsabers. And they go from the price of $47 up to $69. And for toys, we just have Marvel toys, $10. Alright, some light up things here. Let's see. Oh, headbands. Light up villains for 99 cents. Oh, look at Marie's here too. She's at the outlet and here. Oh my gosh, that means they have an awful lot of the stuff.
It's too cheaper here?
$16. I don't think so. I think they're about the same price.
Really?
Tell you the truth, yeah.
Wow.
What is this? Okay, Wonders of Xanar orb is $19.99. Oh, that's the stones.
Is it open though?
That's the display one. So each one is brand new, and inside it,
That's what I was trying to do.
you get... The kids might have put it upside down. Oh, there you go. Yeah, they did it upside down.
Of course they did.
Oh, okay, so they just have the
It's only
stones.
$8?
Yeah,
$8
it is
for them.
$8.
The original price was
So you don't
$99.
get the stuff.
So there's a lot of dolls for $9. This is more of the Xandor stuff, I guess. I have no idea what any of it is, so. More of the same Marvel toys, so they have like a whole row of the same toys. So it was $32, it's down to $12.99 now. Maybe go a little bit lower if you want to get rid of it faster. Alright, here they've got from the Haunted Mansion. $16.
Glass,
Which,
too.
yeah, it's glass. Originally $40, and they have them just sitting outside of a box, so you just carry them. You just carry them. Alright, so they have some pins, some of those fig pins, and then I'm seeing this box of pins here.
Sorry.
What is this one? Oh, villains. This was at the warehouse for 20 bucks. Here it's 14. And And then there's bell pins. Monsters Inc. Oh, and then there's the compass. Yeah, I've got that. Starbucks pins are down to 16. Okay, Marie's over here too. I don't see what she is. It's a teapot, but I don't remember what it was at the outlet. Or mugs were at the outlet for $7.99. We got Captain Marvel costumes. Kristen's gonna hold it up and show you. Model it, Kristen. Model it. There you go. That's it. Yep.
Wait, there's more.
Uh-oh, there's more to it. There's pants too. Here's another costume for Thor. Uh-oh, there's the Nightmare Before. Yeah.
Or was this from last year?
Maybe it was from last year. I wonder how much they want. I don't know how much they want. 20. Okay, Scene Red is here. It looks like they've got a lot of him. He's just hanging out. Spirit jersey shorts are $17.99. There's a Star Wars sweater here. Discounted down to $52. We got the Bambi blanket here for $22.50. It was $24.99, I believe, at the outlet. The Pride trays are here for $12. And more Marie. Marie is still around. Okay, Star Wars Ben There series, $7. Look at here, Coach. What is it? It's a mug. How much is it? $14. Look at this tray, $13.
I love how they call them toothpicks.
They have a set of plates here, a 4. I don't know how much. Yeah, these are called toothpick holders. They're shot glasses, folks. All right, so we've been in here now 2 hours. We waited an hour to get in. So it's a total of a 3-hour day, and we didn't see everything. Stuff sold out faster than we could see it, I think. So I don't know if we missed out on some lounge flies from the Wish. They were sold out by the time we got here, so I don't know if they're going to bring them out every morning, but I think we're going to definitely try to come back another day and see what we can find there. Maybe. Alright, it's just as crowded today as it was on Wednesday, and new merchandise I've seen. So yeah, it's still very crowded, and then you have people that just like hold up the whole wall over here with their junk all over the place. Some of the merch here that I found was this Haunted Mansion cutting board. It is heavy duty, nice cutting board. And I did see they had some utensil holders over there too that look like little tombstones. I didn't do too bad. Okay, I haven't done bad. I only have a few things. I grabbed a pair of shorts, a cup, Obi's Haunted Mansion harness. He can wear that at Halloween. A mug for Boo, and a little garbage can salt shaker. So today they have the Mr. Toad popcorn buckets, buy one get one free. So this way they can get rid of the popcorn buckets, I guess. It's definitely a crazy scene here. So we are done and out of here, and we got to figure out how to get all of this outside. We'll figure it out.